Beer Master, the Car Master. Today we have a 22 Honda Civic, and I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out and how to change a bulb if you need to. We are working on this car. We took the bumper cover off, but that's not necessary to take the tail light out. Although there is a bracket underneath, it kind of gets in the way, but I believe we can work around that. So the first thing you want to do is open the trunk, and you want to get this closure panel off here. Pop it off, and then you can see there's two nuts in there. One, if they're 8mm, or you can use a Phillips head. I'm going to use the Phillips. You don't want to lose these because these are machine screws that kind of fit and are hard to find replacements. Be real careful with that. Once you get that out, you want to pull on it like this. Now there's push pins in there that go into a grommet. There's a couple right in this area, so you have to kind of pull them out. It's difficult to do, so we're just going to keep wiggling it. You don't want to break it. There you go. You don't want to scratch the paddle. There's the two push pins right there. There's the two grommets. So you don't have to take the bumper cover off. So that's how you get the assembly out. If you want to change the bulb, you just unscrew this here. The bulb will come out like that, and you pull it out just like a Christmas light. There's little numbers on it. So when you go to the auto supply house, you can give them the bulb and they'll match it up by number. Or you can tell them what it's for. You can say 22 Honda Civic, reverse light, and they'll know exactly what it is. And then you put everything back the way you just had it off, the opposite. And that's how it's done. Piece of cake, easy pleasy. Joe Beer Master, the Car Master, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this with a friend. Take care.